Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm back today with another video. So for this video, I decided to do some all white nails. You guys, I'll call these wifey nails. Like, I just love them. White is one of my favorite colors anyway, but this looks so fresh, so clean. Absolutely obsessed. I did do these nails using all acrylic, no polish. So if you guys want to see how I created these nails, then just keep on watching. Okay, so I'm going to start off by applying my Young Nails Protein Bond. I did apply my nails off camera, and of course these are the BU stiletto tips in natural. I will have them linked below. You guys, ever since like this pandemic started and everyone's been doing their nails, these nails are so expensive from Amazon. I want to say they were like $8.99 or no, $7.99 when I first bought them, but now they're like $15. So crazy, but I will have them linked below. So for this look, I'm going to be using my Young Nails core white. Yes, core white by Young Nails, and it's like a milky white. It's not like that stark white. Just so pretty, you guys. As you guys can see, I am working with larger beads this time. I'm just trying to cut down the process because I'm not gonna lie, you guys, it does take me a while to do my nails because I am a beginner. It just, working with the small beads is nice, but it just takes so long. So I'm working with larger beads, and that's what you guys see me doing here. I don't know if you guys can tell, but this Young Nails acrylic is just so easy to work with. I just like how it's not super runny and it doesn't dry too fast. It just gives you the right amount of time to be able to shape the acrylic and put it where you want it. I don't know, this has just easily became my favorite acrylic, even over the Glam and Glitz. And you guys know I love Glam and Glitz, but this is just so beginner friendly. Like, I just love it so much. If you guys are beginners and you're looking for an acrylic that's easy to use, I was definitely suggest Young Nails. And it's not too expensive either, and it's just bomb. I don't think they have too many color acrylics. I think they're more on the natural side of acrylics. Don't quote me on that, but I don't think they have like colors. But if you're looking for like the basics, your nudes, your pinks, your whites, definitely check out Young Nails. You will not regret it. Just obsessed. Okay, so for the pinky and the thumb, I just ended up adding acrylic because I wanted to do like a smile line at first, but that didn't exactly work out. So you guys will see in a little bit what I actually did, but I'm going to put some glitter on the tip just to add a little something. I just always have to try to add a little glam to it, and it actually came out cute. So you guys will see later on the video what I did. Okay, so for my pinky and my thumb, I'm going to be using clear acrylic and also dipping into these holographic flakes that I have from Born Pretty store. And I'm just going to be applying those to the tip. Like I said earlier, I did initially want to do a smile line, but it didn't exactly work out. So you will see later on in the video, I just ended up, fading the two colors into each other and, just making it more seamless because the smile line just wasn't working out for me. So I'll just need a little bit more practice on that. So yeah, I'm just applying my Glam Glitz clear acrylic and dipping into those flakes from Born Pretty store. So now I'm just going in with my e-file and I'm just going to show you guys how I filed the thumb because I don't really like filing on camera because for some reason my camera does not stay in focus. So that's why you guys see in a lot of my videos I cut that part out because it's just so frustrating when you're trying to edit. But yeah, I'm just going in with my e-file. For some reason the thumb just came out really really thick, so I had to do a lot of e-filing on this nail. You guys, I have been thinking about upgrading my e-file. As you guys know, if you saw my haul video from, it's probably almost a year ago now. This is the e-file from Amazon. That's like $20. Although it's great for beginners, I don't think it's as powerful as I would need in order to cut the time down. So if you guys know of any good e-files that aren't $300, let me know down below because I do want to invest in a good one. So now I'm going to go in with my top coat. I am using the IBD top coat. So I'm going to go ahead and apply this. I'm doing each nail one by one because I am going to be applying my AB crystals from Amazon. So I'm also going in with some builder gel as well. That's what you guys just saw me use, just so that my stones aren't falling off. I do still have these nails on currently, and it's been about a little bit over a week and they're still holding on. So I think this method works great for me. So for my thumb and my pinky, I decided to just apply top coat and not put any crystals just because these nails has that extra pop with the glitter being on the tip. I just think it's so understated and just so pretty. I didn't want to disturb it. So that's what you guys see me doing here and I'm just obsessed. I think these nails came out really cute and stiletto nails have quickly become my favorite nail shape. So guys, this is the final look of the nails. I love them. I think they're so pretty. You guys, I am going to work on doing some short nail videos for you guys because I know there are some people who prefer short nails. Not everyone's into this length, but I love the way these came out. You guys, thank you all so much for watching. And please, 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 if you guys have any suggestions for my channel, leave them down below. And again, thank you all so much for watching and I'll see you guys in my next video.